Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, traction control, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control, child safety locks, power windows, rear defrost. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.